Hello everyone. Today we'll be using the Convert API to convert modern Excel documents from the OpenOffice XML standard to the old binary standard. We'll find the Convert Excel XLSX spreadsheet to Legacy Excel XLS 9703 API on the Cloudmersive API console page underneath the Convert document path. In case this is your first time watching a Cloudmersive walkthrough, I'll just note that every API on our platform, including the over 300 APIs on this page alone, is available when you sign up for a free Cloudmersive API key on the homepage. We can try this API out with zero code if we want right here, but the code examples we need are further down this tab. At the bottom, we'll notice tabs for more than a dozen common programming languages, and when we click on the Python tab, we'll find all the code we need right here. That includes the client installation command, the client imports, and some example code to structure our API call. I'm going to be demonstrating in Google Colab today, so I'm first going to copy this pip command, head over to my Colab terminal, and paste it in there. Once the requirements are all satisfied, we can go back to the API console, copy the rest of our code below the pip command, and paste that straight into our environment. The great thing is this code is close to being runnable as it is. It's just missing our API key, input file path, and a way to actually write the API response to a new Legacy Excel document. Since I'm in Colab, I'm using the Secrets tab to store my personal Cloudmersive API key, and I'm going to import that into my project the way Google tells me to. While I'm at it, I'm also going to get rid of the from future import since I'm on Python 3 in Colab. I'm now going to set the configuration.api key line equal to the method that returns my API key. This is much better practice than exposing our API key directly in our project. In the next code snippet, this configuration is stored with our API instance variable, and we define our file path directly below that. I'm going to upload an OpenOffice Excel file into Colab through the Files tab. And once that populates, I'm going to use this file path to replace the placeholder path in the example code. Since I only need a local path here, I'm just reformatting the path I pasted slightly. At this point, we're ready to call the API and convert our file. We just need to replace the pprint function in our try except block with code that writes our new file somewhere we can easily access it. In my case, I'll simply create a new file variable, set it to the file name I want, and then use a with open statement to write the resulting file bytes to that file name. Now we're going to run our code with our Files tab open and wait for our new file to populate. And there it is. My downgraded Excel document is now ready to go. I can now download it and open it to confirm it's a valid, functioning Legacy Excel file with all the right data inside it. And that's all there is to it. We can now easily incorporate a smooth OpenOffice Excel to Legacy Excel conversion workflow into any of our Python apps. If you have any questions about using Cloudmersive APIs in your projects, please feel free to contact a member of our team.